Hello there, welcome back to Endless Foodpot channel. Today we are going to bring you the best street food of Mumbai, the irresistible Vada Pav. So let's dive right in. To start off, we will prepare the potato curry. Begin by boiling some potatoes until they are tender. Once boiled, peel and mash them. Now let's heat a pan and add a touch of oil. Toss in some cumin seeds and green chili paste made from 6 green chilies and enough salt. Next, add in garlic paste, followed by a teaspoon of turmeric and fresh coriander leaves. After a quick fry, incorporate the mashed potatoes and mix well. Let it cook for a bit before setting it aside to cool. While our potato curry cools down, let's whip up the garlic chutney. We will need peanuts, sesame seeds, dry coconut powder, dried red chilies, garlic cloves, coriander seeds and cumin seeds. Roast each ingredient separately to ensure they are roasted evenly. Once cooled, grind them together in a blender with some salt to taste. Moving on to the batter. Mix gram flour with salt, chili powder, baking soda, carom seeds and water. Ensure the batter is smooth and lump-free. Let's add some spice to our Vada Pav. Slice green chilies and deep fry them. Sprinkle them with salt once fried. Now make the patties of potato curry. Coat our potato patties in the prepared batter and deep fry until golden brown. Once done, set them aside. It's time to toast our pav. Heat a pan, add a dash of butter and toast the pav until golden. Let's assemble our Vada Pav. Serve the chutney, fried chilies, crispy vadas and toasted pav on a plate. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate street food delight Vada Pav is ready to be savored. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!